Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to change your Facebook page name. So to start off, you need to open your Facebook and go to your Facebook menu. You just need to click on the Hamburg menu at the top right corner, and here you need to click on this drop down arrow and log into the page you want to change the name of. So after you're in your page, you just need to click on your profile and go to your settings and privacy. Now, after you're in settings and privacy, you need to search for page setup. It's usually in audience and visibility. Click on page setup and you'll be in this page. So here you need to click on name. So now you can renew your page name and click on review change, submit for approval. So go back and you need to wait until the Facebook server accepts your approval, and after that your new name for your page will be set up. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.